So this is electrical field lines, and what we have here is the diagram of the proton. So, or the positively charged particles. And as we can see, the lines are coming outward of the proton. Electron have the field line that coming towards it. Electron is also known as negatively charged particles. And when you put the two of them together, it will form an attraction. As we learned before that when there's two opposite charges, it will attract one another. So as we can see here in the diagram, it attracts. Since proton is going outward like this, and this is electron that had a field line coming towards it, when you put the two of them together, they will form an attraction, which can be seen right here. And the next one is repulsion. Repulsion happens when two particles have the same charges. Like in this case, proton have, the two same charges. So that's why it creates repulsion. As we can see here in the field lines, they are spreading out from each other because since there is no way they can connect with one another, it forms a repulsion. And we can see it separated out, like spread it out. When you see here, this is more like this is connecting, and you can see an attraction right there. Next one is when attraction form, but this one have a higher amount of strength than this one. It will look exactly like this way. This happened when it balanced. So as we can see, the more tightly packed the lines are, it will have more strength. So in this area right here, it will create more strength than the area right here since they are more closely packed with one another. And you can see the attraction between the two have more strength than these two that is outside and far away from each other. This one are more tightly packed. And that's the electrical field lines of proton, electron, and an example of attraction, repulsion.